I want you to take a moment and think about what truly keeps you up at night. Is it the lack of money, or is it the painful realization that you have the money, but you lack the time to enjoy it with your family, with your kids, with your spouse? You see, most people in the W 2 world, the corporate world, are stuck in one of two traps. First, there's the time trap. This is where you're working 60, 70 hours a week, chasing that high income, but the irony is the great lifestyle you're building for your kids is one you can't even participate in. Second, there's the money trap. You might have plenty of time, but you simply don't have the reliable cash flow required to live the life you truly desire. So, what if I told you that we could solve both of those problems? What if you could control both your time and your income? So, look, I didn't grow up wanting to be an insurance man, but I promise you what we do here is powerful, it's essential, and yes, it's actually pretty cool. We are a successful marketing organization working with Equis Financial and Integrity. We're driven by a simple set of core values: integrity, family, service, respect, and partnership. Our core mission is to serve middle-income America with products they desperately need. We focus on two main underserved niches: mortgage protection, protecting the single largest asset families will ever own, and final expense, ensuring that loved ones are never burdened by funeral costs. So our product is one of the main things that sets us apart. This is not just a death benefit only. We specialize in living benefit life insurance. Here's what that means. If our client is ever diagnosed with a critical, chronic, or terminal illness, they don't have to die to use the policy. They can actually accelerate a large percentage of their death benefit while they're still living. They can use their life insurance while they're alive. Think about that. Think about the value in that. A cancer diagnosis is no longer the financial death sentence it once was. We are providing the necessary financial safeguard for a young family going through the worst health crisis imaginable. We help them prepare for their family's worst day. Now, our IMO is structured to target, certain niches. We are a brokerage. We operate as a true brokerage. That gives you a massive advantage in the marketplace, especially considering we're not captive. We actually work with 34 different insurance carriers, and we've partnered with leaders like Mutual of Omaha, Transamerica, Foresters. We even work with specialty carriers that are proprietary to us that take on higher risk clients for a lower cost, like Government Personal Mutual. This means you're not trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. You can genuinely find the absolute best product for every client's unique situation. So our lead system is one of the most important things. We have people who have raised their hand. You're not cold calling strangers. We're calling people who have raised their hand, requesting somebody at Equis to reach out to them regarding these different niche products. So they come to us from direct mail responses, 1-800 call-in numbers, and digital ads on social media. The system is really set up to succeed. The leads are geographically targeted to your area, or you can work them 100% virtually. Our average agent typically invests only about 10% of their total income back into purchasing leads. And to help you start strong, your first lead purchase ever may be matched through our profit sharing program. You can run these leads either virtual or face-to-face. Our core sales platform is almost entirely virtual. You can run your entire business from your home, your apartment, your shared office space, or overseas in Thailand or Bali. This is truly a game changer for flexibility. You set your own schedule. You can go in-person sales. You can do door knocking. Or if you prefer, you can do it virtual. A lot of people do prefer the good old-fashioned face-to-face service, so you can absolutely go door knock. And we can even run marketing campaigns to generate leads literally in your backyard. If you're a young stud in your 20s, we actually recommend that you do a bit of face-to-face. This will dramatically speed up your learning curve and help you develop valuable high-level interpersonal skills that you can use the rest of your life. So whether virtual or in person, this opportunity is a massive door opener for so many. So the earning potential now. Let's talk about what you can make here. So from week 1, you can start cash flowing. We want you to start generating cash flow immediately. Our average agent working about 3 days a week, about 20 hours typically, makes 3 sales per week. The average sale size is approximately a $700 commission, and 75% of that, the carrier actually gives you up front. So we're paid by the insurance carriers directly. You're typically getting around $500 per sale deposited directly into your bank account after just 2 to 3 days. Brand new agents with 0 prior experience are consistently seeing $600 to $800 in cash flow per single sale. Our top producer on this team over the last 3 years has actually averaged $20,000 per week in personal production. That's the true earning potential of this system. This is a very entrepreneurial environment. There's no politics involved whatsoever. So your promotions and your contract increases and your bonuses, they're all based solely on your personal production. You have to go out and earn it. So we have unmatched training and support as well. Our commitment is to bring you a massive training platform. If you invest the time and money to get licensed and get started, we will make sure you're trained. We literally host live Zoom calls Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern. It's what we call the gold standard coaching call. This is where we teach best practices every single day. We also offer calls in the evenings and detailed breakout sessions. In fact, that top producer I was just talking to you about, who averages over $20,000 a week, she actually runs many of our training breakout calls. These are the types of top-level producers we have on our team who will personally teach you and help train you. You can also gain access to our full-on training module website, which includes videos of top agents running actual appointments, as well as, technical learning, how to use the carriers, what the different products are. And most importantly, you get direct one-on-one support from myself and an extremely successful integrity managing partner, John Kite. Will help hold your hand every step of the way so that we ensure your guys' success. You just have to work hard. So for some of you, your immediate goal is to master personal sales. That's great. But for others, the ultimate dream is the same as mine. And mine is to build a passive income stream. My original life goal was to duplicate myself until I woke up every day with 6 Saturdays and a Sunday every week. To me, that's what true freedom is. Living free means you're controlling your own time and your own money, not the other way around. We teach you the business of duplication. We show you how to interview, qualify, and select others to do a version of what you're doing. You may hire full-time builders, or you may hire part-time people who only need an extra $1,500, $2,000 a month to change their lives. It's really an opportunity for everybody. You can simply qualify as what we call a sales manager with just 3 people on your team. That role immediately unlocks a $1,000 monthly bonus, plus you get continuous override income from the carrier. So for our long-term builders, we have agents who have made well over $20,000 in 1 month's bonus from their agency growth alone. That's not their own production. That's just from hiring others and duplicating themselves. And that is how you achieve true financial freedom in this business. And for the people who want to specialize even further, take this a whole nother step into more of the financial services beyond just life insurance, we have a clear pathway for you too. You can join a specialized boot camp to get certified by Equis as an advanced market specialist. This will allow you to help clients with complex retirement or debt elimination plans. The average commission on these advanced market products is a massive $7,000 per sale. If you're part-time or if you don't want to take that boot camp, no problem. You can simply refer those advanced market clients when you stumble across them, and the specialist you refer them to will actually give you a 50-50 split when they close the case. The system works. We have young people in their early 20s building massive agencies right now. We have 20-year-olds collecting $15,000, $16,000 checks from one sale. This proves the system is duplicatable for anyone who has the desire. So this is an incredible industry, and our virtual platform is huge, but let me be clear, it's not for everybody. It requires 3 things from you. You have to have desire, a willingness to plug in and learn. You got to be coachable, and the ability to take massive action. That's the step most people are missing. Our company has poured all of its efforts into creating a system that is 100% duplicatable. Anyone can just plug in, take massive action, and see phenomenal results. If you're frustrated by the constant trade-off between time and money, or if you feel you're called to make a genuine impact on people's lives, there's no place where you can create anywhere near the result that you can create right here. So your guys' next steps is you've got to get licensed before you can help anybody. You must get a life insurance license. We have a partner code with Excel Solutions that drops the full course from $200 down to only $40. And you need to either text your connection, the person who invited you to watch this video right now, tell them you're interested, book a time with them to get our partner code to bring the cost of the course down and get started, or you can confirm your booking with myself so you and I can get the ball rolling. If you don't have a slot on my schedule already, my calendar link will be below. God bless, and take massive action.